name's Kieran J. Callanan, and that's the name of my project. It's a solo project, but I'm lucky I've enlisted a couple of really good boys to work with me. So we're here together. We're a rock band. So this is the first I've ever played in Mexico. The first, my first adventure here. So this is me.
Like a sauna, that's a good thing. A circle forms around two large circle of boys. Circle of boys. There's gonna be a fight in the playground. Gonna be a fight in the playground. Sleeves rolled up, socks pulled down. Blood flows from one kid's nose, but the older boys want more. The older boys want more. They want strips torn from uniforms. It's a test of strength. Two boys running around in the dust. In the dust. In the dust embrace. Grows up, he's still the same, he's still the same. But he's a man, and a man is physical, and a man has to put his physical body to the test. Body to the test. Body to the test. I guess another man. Do you measure up? Or do you still have work to do? Still have work to do? Bruce. It's hard to trust somebody. It's hard to believe in love. How do you measure love? But you can trust your body. Push, rip, taste, touch, work your body. And if you work that body, don't need to trust nobody. Pull the trigger, run the race. Beat the man, chase the clock. Where God does his that was. Throw the spear, take the glory of race. A man can't beat another man in a bar, on the sports field, at his place of work, or in his own apartment, or on the internet right now.